In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover permanently deleted file from OneDrive. 5 minutes. First, a quick reality check so you don't waste time. If a file has been permanently deleted from your OneDrive recycle bin, meaning it was removed from the bin as well, it cannot be recovered through OneDrive. Once it's purged from the cloud recycle area, OneDrive doesn't provide a way to get it back. However, if the file is still sitting in the recycle bin, you can restore it in just a few clicks. Here's how to do that. Open OneDrive in your web browser and sign in. On the left-hand side, look for Recycle Bin. If you're using a smaller window, you might need to expand the menu to see it. Click Recycle Bin to view everything you've deleted recently, find the file or folder you want to bring back. You can click the checkbox next to a single item or select multiple items if you need to recover more at once. When you've made your selection, look for the Restore button at the top. Click Restore and OneDrive will put your file or folder back in its original location. If that folder no longer exists, OneDrive will recreate the path for you. Give it a moment to sync, then go back to your OneDrive files and confirm it's back where you expect. A helpful tip: deleted items don't stay in the recycle bin forever. In personal OneDrive accounts, they're typically retained for a limited time, so it's best to act quickly. If you're using a work or school account, retention can be longer and your organization may have additional recovery options, so check your policies or ask your IT admin if needed. Now, if the file has already been permanently deleted from the recycle bin, OneDrive can't restore it. In that case, your remaining option is to try a strong third-party data recovery tool. These tools scan the original device or drive where the file lived before syncing, like your PC's local OneDrive folder, to see if any remnants are still on the disk. For the best chance of success, stop saving new data to that drive, run the recovery tool in read-only mode if possible, and recover to a different drive so you don't overwrite what you're trying to save. Results aren't guaranteed, but acting quickly improves your odds. To recap, if it's in the recycle bin, restore it from there. If it's been purged, consider reputable recovery software on the original device. That's it. Clear, quick, and practical.